Good morning, everyone. We are on Module 1 of Chapter 9, Heredity and Evolution. Heredity is the transfer of characters from the parents to their offsprings or young ones. You have seen in your family that when a child is born, his features resembles with his parents or grandparents. So why the child resembles with their parents? Because there are some characteristics which are transferred from the parents to the offsprings or young ones. But the child is not identical copy of their parents. There are certain differences in characteristics. So the differences in the characteristics among the individuals of the same species are called variations. So in the first diagram you can see the picture of number of human babies are given and all are different from each other. In the second case too, the birds are different in color combination, beetles are different, the structure, shape and size of the leaves are different, the hairs, number of hairs different more or less. In the last diagram, the color, taste of the grapes will different. So the differences in characteristics among the individual of the same species are known as variation. So if we talk about accumulation of variations during reproduction, when organisms reproduce, the offspring show minor variation due to inaccuracies in DNA copying. In chapter number 8, I told you that when reproduction takes place, there is DNA copying occur and the DNA copying is not 100% accurate because it is a biochemical reaction and there may be chances to arise certain errors. These variations are less in asexual reproduction and more in sexual reproduction. You are familiar why I am saying so? Some variations are useful variation and they help the organisms to adjust to the changes in the environment. Some variation do not help the organism to adjust to the changes in the environment and they may die and become extinct. If we talk about the rules for inheritance of characters or traits, characters are transferred through genes present in the DNA molecule in the chromosome present in the nucleus of the cell. The inheritance of characters is due to the fact that both the father and mother contribute equal amount of genetic material to the child. So for each trait there are two factors, one from the father and other from the mother. Gregor John Mendel conducted experiment with garden pea plant and determined the rules for the inheritance of traits. Here you can see thread-like structures or flower-shaped structure that you see, it is called chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures present in the nucleus of the cell and chromosomes are made up of DNA and chromatin proteins. There are certain functional segments present on the chromosomes that contain genes and genes contain DNA. Thank you.